Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Manny, and I wanted to make this quick video to give a shout out to Dave and Phone Flipping 101. If you have not purchased the course yet, I really recommend it. I've been in the cell phone industry for a while now, been flipping phones for a couple of years now, and honestly, I've never done as good as I have until after I bought the course. You know, a lot of things that you would think like I would know, I didn't really know, and if I did know, I just didn't put it into practice. And Dave's course does an awesome job of explaining it. I think it's one of the most fairly priced courses out there, especially if you're get it during the special or during a time when he's giving you the RSIMs. I think it's pretty much a no-brainer. If you have the money invested, you're gonna save yourself a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of losses, a lot of headaches. And yeah, I mean, me actually have a cell phone store, so I think I thought, well, what I need the course for? Like, I'm already doing it. I already have a store. Like, I don't need it. But I couldn't have been more wrong. I think that even if you are okay or decent at something and there's something available to help you get better at it, I think you should take advantage of it. Sometimes it's a free thing. Sometimes it's something that you have to pay for. But things that you have to pay for usually help you out a lot more. They give you more information, and I am not disappointed with the course. I think the course has helped me out a lot. And a lot of things, like I said, that maybe I knew before, but I really wasn't doing it. It kind of reminded me to do it. And I've been flipping phones for a while now, and I've never done as good as I'm doing now. One of the toughest things, or one of the hardest things, in my opinion, when you're flipping phones is knowing how to quote, knowing how to speak to customers, knowing how to close these sales. And the course really helped me out with that. I think my negotiating skills were decent before, but I think they're a lot better now. I'm asking the people, the sellers, a lot less questions, and I'm giving them quotes a lot quicker, which is something that I learned from Dave, and it's really been helping me out a lot to close more deals. And the RSIMs, the RSIMs are a no-brainer. If you haven't started doing the RSIMs, I really recommend you do it. It's a really good way to make extra money. Not a huge investment, and it's just a no-brainer, guys. Like, if you haven't done it, if you're kind of on the fence about it, I hope this video encourages you to do so. I've been meaning to make this video for a while now. I just barely had time to do it. Dave, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your your due diligence. Your course is awesome. A lot of good information on there, a lot of value in it, and if you haven't done it, do it, guys. I really recommend it. I see a lot of you guys asking a lot of questions that are on the course, or they're on the free course that he offers, and you guys need to jump on it. Of course, we're all here to help you and answer as many questions as we can, but the best way for you to maximize your sales and maximize your profitability is going to be by taking that leap and really investing in yourself, investing in the course. And I really recommend it. I really recommend the RSIMs. The RSIMs have been great for me. I've been making decent money off of them. I didn't get a lot, but the ones that I did, I made money off of them. I pretty much paid for my course. It paid for my course, so I pretty much got that for free. And if you are on the fence about it, guys, I really recommend it. And if someone who has a cell phone store purchased the course and is finding it useful, then I can only imagine how helpful and how useful it's going to be for you that you're just getting started. All right, so again, if you haven't done the course, if you haven't done even the free course, do it. Dave does a lot of good information on there, a lot of good information on there, and I'm really happy, and I'm really glad that I did it. And I was on the fence about it as well, for different reasons, not necessarily for the reasons that you might be, but if you could swing the money, do it, guys. It'll be worth it. You'll save yourself money, time, headaches, and a lot of the things that we had to go through, before the course, all these bumps and bruises that we had to take, you can skip all those. And although you might still take some, it won't be as bad as the ones that, the people that haven't took these courses have. All these losses that people are doing, you don't need to do that. You can save yourself a lot of money. So again, thanks to you, Dave. I really appreciate it. And keep hustling, my friend.